Hi friends and fellow Disney fans. Today we are going to be touring Disney's Boulder Ridge. This is at Wilderness Lodge, so come along. Hi friends! So before we get into Boulder Ridge, I would like to tell you just a little bit about the channel. My name is Jamie. I'm a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations. So if you are interested in any help on your next Disney vacation, my tips and advice and information is totally free when you book with me. So my contact information is all in the description. Hello. So let's get to it. We are going to show you a deluxe studio room. This is one of my favorite resorts. If I haven't mentioned that yet, I love this resort. It's rustic, it's well themed. The rooms have all been renovated beautifully. And if you're looking to come at Christmas time, this is one of the best resorts you could stay at during Christmas time because they go all out during Christmas. Okay, so let's go check out a deluxe studio. And as you'll be able to see, there's tons of space in these. Okay, so let's go in and take a look at the main kind of living room. This room does sleep up to 5 people, so you can fit 2 on the bed here, 2 on the other bed, and then 1 right here on the single bed. So let's take a closer look at it. Okay, so over here is the kitchenette. We have a fridge that is quite big and some cutlery and other things that you could use. That one's empty. Have some dish soap and a toaster and a microwave and a really nice Keurig. And then you also up here, a few cups, disposable cups, and then there's nothing in that. And then right here is the vanity, and it's quite a large vanity, but just one sink. My friend Laura here is taking down the bed to show us what it looks like, and look at that. You got Donald and Huey, Dewey, and Louie all ready to go to sleep. And then right over here, you have a little single bed. This would be good for like small teenager. And then you also have some little chairs here. And then here is the bathroom. You have some nice wilderness artwork and then a really lovely shower. So this is rainfall with several attachments, and then you have the soaps, shampoo and body wash. I quite like these tiles. It's quite a pretty bathroom. This is a closet. Lots of space in the closet, but there's nothing going on in there. There's your lockbox, an extra pillow and blanket up there. On the single bed, you have Chip and Dale, and they are being so cute. I think you might be able to turn on a light up there too to light it up, but I'm not sure. And then here's a nice flat screen TV. It doesn't look big in this picture, but it is quite large.
Very big, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, and as you'll see, we are on the first floor. So we have like a little patio with a lovely sitting area and a view of some trees and leaves. And it's kind of right off a walking path. I'm not sure where that walking path goes, but yeah, it's kind of nice. If you get a room up higher, then you're gonna be having a balcony room. And you can always request that if you want. But yeah, this is actually quite a nice little patio to have your coffee on in the morning. Okay, now that we've seen the room, let's go check out the lobby and the pool area. Because I know if you have kids that are fish like mine, they're gonna love the pool area here. So Wilderness Lodge actually has 2 pools. We're gonna check out the Boulder Ridge area one. This is over by Copper Creek, over by Boulder Ridge, and it's quite actually spacious for a quiet pool. No slide, but let's go check it out. So over here is Geyser Point. So this is where you can refill your resort mug or grab a drink over at the bar. One thing I love about Wilderness Lodge, and I don't know if you can see these, but little reindeer trails all throughout. Okay, and here is the main pool, and this is where you're gonna have the awesome slide and splash area for little kids. This is Humphrey's Hideout, where you'll see all the activities for the day that are gonna go on at the pool. Okay, and then right over here, just behind the pools, is Geyser Point, and this is where you're gonna have the geysers kind of going off, and it just kind of is very reminiscent of Yellowstone. Then right over here we have some hot tubs, and then right behind that is the splash pad for little kids. And then here is the aquatic area. This is for kids that are under 48 inches, and it has a little splash area, which is really fun. And there's even a slide over there too. This is honestly one of my favorite pools in all of Disney resorts. I don't know, the slide is just really good. My kids love it. The theming is phenomenal, and the splash pad area is right beside the main pool, so parents can kind of watch their little ones. And both pools are just really large. I love it. If you are looking for a spot to do family photos, this is it. Look at this right behind you. How beautiful would those family photos be? So right kind of on the bridge, just off of the lobby. That would be beautiful. And for quick service dining, they have the Roaring Fork. And this is Artist Point. This is where they have the dining with the Evil Queen and some of the Seven Dwarfs. And as you can see, there is activities going on throughout the day, mostly fun crafts. And then here we have the lobby. Like, this is Christmas, huh? Look how tall that tree is. It goes up and up. Over here, we have a fireplace, which you can just get all cozy by after a long park day. And over here we have Whispering Canyon Cafe. This is honestly one of my favorite restaurants because it's just fun, family style eating. You can get a lot of food for not too expensive. And just a tip, if you go there, make sure to ask for the ketchup. You will get all the ketchup. Or maybe I should say, you'll see what happens. For me, I love the Grand Floridian at Christmas, but this resort just gives you those kind of like Aspen, Yellowstone ski vibes, snow. This is quintessential Christmas to me. If you are into Hallmark movies, you want to come here during Christmas because this is like living in a real life Hallmark movie. It's just beautiful. And right over there is where the lobby and check-in is. A little tip, if you want to save some time, just do your online check-in and then you can go straight to your room. So yeah, this is the Wilderness Lodge. Absolutely stunning, absolutely beautiful. And over here is the Wilderness Lodge Mercantile. This is where you're going to find some of the special Wilderness Lodge items and branded things. Thing too, if you have a Boulder Ridge or Copper Creek room with a kitchenette or a full kitchen, then you can always stock up on food right over here in the Mercantile. So I want to thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And if you're interested in staying at Disney's Boulder Ridge or even any Disney resort, I would love to help you. I'm a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations, and my services are completely free when you book with me. You can contact me via email, jamiethomasshow@gmail.com, or you can contact me through the website www.clickthemouse.ca/JamieQuote. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.